What is a party wall agreement? Let's say you're buying or you own a townhouse, a row house, anything with an adjoining wall, even a duplex. There's a wall that you're going to share with your neighbor. There has to be some rules, or there should be some rules in place to protect you, and those rules usually are found in the party wall agreement. It's called a party wall agreement because you have a shared wall that both parties enjoy, and it's agreement as to the maintenance. What does it cover? Party wall agreement is going to cover things like who's responsible for fixing it, and it's usually both of you. What you can and can't do to the wall, i.e. you can't dig through it. Sometimes the party wall agreements will even deal with things like an encroachment. Let's say the builder built the wall a couple of inches too far into one person's property. Then instead of having to redo the entire title to the property with surveyors and land titles and all that, the agreement just allows for it to stay in place. There's a lot of ins and outs of the party wall agreement, and if you're planning to do a renovation or something that involves it, it's worth really taking a close look at it. If you see it on title to your property, it's not something that you have to be concerned about because it is common, and in fact you want there to be that agreement in place. If you have your main unit that has a party wall in the property, but also a garage that has a shared wall, make sure that your particular party wall agreement addresses both the main living unit as well as the garage. Sometimes they don't, and you want to have them in place. If they're not hard, they're not expensive to create. As long as you and your neighbor agree, we can get them in place, and it protects you both.